Sabi ko na kay Sarsa, mga nakapinok ata. Okay, paalala po, postpone po tayo for the last game, final game ng ating Mobile Legend due to incomplete players and schedule time. So, 6:30 po tayo on Monday bago ang awarding. Yung players, papasok tayo before mag 6:30 para maabot tayo ng awarding. Okay, Aguirre, Glorioso.
Parang gago ka pa.
Okay, what happened? What happened? Okay, foul jersey number 62. How many foul for jersey number 62? Second personal foul as per document. Punta rin. Pass back to Aguirre. Tumira ng brato. Huh? Tapos, Aguirre. Aguirre. 10. Foul by number Quintaron, jersey number 8. Foul. Score check. 2019. Airball.
Manakit siya guys.
Second personal foul for Aguirre. Relax lang po tayo, huwag po tayo magsikuan.